Hello students, in today's module of computer applications we are going to study the characteristics of a computer. Now characteristics means we are going to discuss the strength and weaknesses of computer. So very first strength of computer is speed. Computer are much faster as compared to human beings. Computer can do millions of instructions. Computer can calculate the millions of instructions in 1 second. So its speed is very much fast compared to the human beings. High storage capacity. Computers can store a large amount of information in very small space. As you know, we measure the computer memory in terms of kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte. And in a simple pen drive or CD, you can store a large amount of data as compared to the human mind. So that's why computers can store a large amount of information in very small space. Now next strength of computer is accuracy. Computers can perform all the calculations and comparisons accurately. Accurately means without any mistake. If you give the computer a large number of calculations, within a few seconds it can do and with right result. Computers follow the principle of GIGO, means garbage in, garbage out. If you give the wrong input and wrong instructions, only then computer give you the wrong result. Otherwise, it give you the accurate and right result. Reliability. Computers are immune to tiredness and boredom. Now, human beings get tired. If I give you a job to do it again and again, after some time you will say, I got tired, I got bored. But computer will never say like this because they are immune to tiredness and boredom. Now, versatility. Computers can perform repetitive jobs efficiently. It can work with different types of data like graphics, audio, visual, etc. Now, what it means? Repetitive jobs. If you give the command to computer to print a document 100 times, it can very easily do it. It never refuses it is a repetitive job, I will not do it. It can repeat the jobs very efficiently. And it is a versatile machine. You can play games on computer, you can listen music on it, you can watch movies on it. Different type of tasks you can do on computer. So that's why it is known as versatile machine. So just now we have discussed the strength. There should be some limitations of this machine also. So let's discuss that. Weaknesses of computers. Lack of decision making power. Computers cannot decide on their own. Computers is a machine. It works according to given instructions. It doesn't have its own intelligence to decide about whether he should do this work or not. IQ 0. Computers are dumb machine with 0 IQ. Now what do you mean by IQ? IQ means intelligent quotient. Every human being has different IQ level, but computers are machine with 0 IQ. It does all the work according to the given instructions. No heuristics. Now what do you mean by heuristics? Heuristics means learning from past experiences. So it cannot learn from past experiences. If computer commits an error, it will always commit that error in again the same situation or condition because it is programmed machine. Until you correct the program, it will keep doing the same mistake again and again. But human beings are intelligent. If you does any mistake in your life, you will not prefer to repeat that mistake again because you will learn from your experience. So these were the strength and weaknesses of computer. Let's recall it again. Speed, storage capacity, accuracy, reliability, versatility. These are the strengths of computer. Lack of decision making power, IQ 0, and no heuristic. These are the weaknesses of computer. So these were all about the strength and weaknesses of computer. This is an assignment to do it. Now do this assignment in your notebook and type these characteristics of computer in MS Word or Google Doc for practical session. I hope you have understood all the characteristics, their major strength and weaknesses. Go through it and learn it also. Now thank you and have a nice day.